Please subscribe to our channel for latest update. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Pipes are classified by two types. One is seamless and other one is welded. Seamless pipe is fabricated without the welded seam is called seamless pipe. There are two types of welded pipes, SAW and ERW and EFW. SAW is submerged arc welding process, ERW is electric resistant welded, EFW is electric fusion welded. There are two types of SAW, straight SAW, helical spiral SAW, which is based on welding profile. And here there are two types of straight saw, single seam pipe which is welded only one side of the pipe is single seam. Double seam pipe which is welded from the both sides parallelly, it's double seam pipe. A pipe made of long strip of steel plate fitted together to form helical or spiral seam which are welded like in the picture. That's it for today guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.